This is going to be the most interesting thing you have ever studied, the history of stateless. I'm going to want to know who, when, why, where. You are going to have to do some research around it. Is there any questions?
Forget staplers, we're doing this. I'm choosing yo-yo tracks.
How do you do that? This is so much fun!
It's better than staplers.
Try again.
Yo-yo master.
Yo-yo master.
You can find out this very interesting subject matter. You will remember this for the rest of your lives.
Listen up, I have a plan. You guys distract them, I'll do the rest. Go!
I need a new set of wheels pronto.
Yes, Louis.
Hurry up, hurry up. I'm gonna lose the race. Hurry up. What's taking you so long?
It's not working.
Hurry, hurry, hurry. I can't take it anymore.
I got it.
I'll take the finger fries.
Alright, you're on the house.
Thanks, Sonny.
What's on special today, Johnny?
Try the ice cream.
Okay. Yum. I'll have the air burger, please.
That's the end of class for today. Does everybody understand what is required of you for this assignment?
No.